Hey guys, just a quick little video here. It's going to be about a couple parts that I like to install on systems. I'm still working on my work one today. That'll probably be out tomorrow. But you know, what I really want to talk about is people going on to an HVAC channel and just making stupid, rude comments. And I've mentioned it in the past. It's pretty ridiculous that guys they have nothing better to do than go on an HVAC channel and start bashing somebody who's trying to put out content and teach people, and ultimately do giveaways and whatnot. So I'm not going to mention any names, but his initials are TC, and his channel initials are AD HVAC. So you guys figure it out. But he keeps making dumb comments on my channel about the last one was you need to quit smoking. I don't smoke pot, dude. So don't even say that. I think people that do, I think it kills your brain cells. No offense to you if you do, but smoking weed does kill your brain cells, and I don't think I'd be able to run an HVAC business, and a successful one at that, if I was a pothead. So I don't appreciate that comment, and I'm going to tell you right now that I won't tolerate it. You'll just get blocked off my channel. There's too much of that ongoing with you other channels. You know which ones they are. They're always fighting back and forth. It's like warfare, and it's just BS. And I'm not going to get started with that. So if it continues, he'll just get blocked, and he can go find someone else to harass. So that's mainly what this video is about. But I also want to show you guys some of the stuff I like to install on my HVAC install. So enjoy, guys. Thanks so much. On that note, guys, let's get to some of my reviews. A lot of recent ones, I might add. So not defending myself here, but if you want to go on there and say that I'm smoking pot or whatever. I know it's probably just a saying, but there's no place for that in this channel. So let's go here. So, and take a look at some of these reviews. Sorry, I'm a little flustered. It just really irks me. So let's see here. 4 months ago, Tony Martin. Yeah, Josh installed a 5-unit ductless system for us in February. The heat pump was faulty from the factory. Josh stuck with me until we got the company to agree it was faulty and send a replacement. He swapped the unit. The system is operating like it's supposed to. Josh is truly dedicated to his work and making sure his customers are happy and satisfied. He gets an A+++ from me, 5 stars. Eric Gittenstein, a month ago, Josh was great throughout the whole process. He worked within our budget to find a great solution for our home, professional and trustworthy. Would recommend for sure. Let's keep scrolling down here. Josh Fisher, 2 months ago, called for a service call, was there next day, showed up on time, had my unit working in no time, walked me through the troubleshooting process, had some tips on how to better manage the unit. Great service and is now my go-to company. Thanks again, Josh. 4 months ago, Martin Luna. Josh made the process so easy. He's super quick to respond, very informative during the entire process. Glad we chose him for our project. Thanks, Josh. 5 months ago, Lori Meeks. Huge thank you to Josh and Seton Heating and AC. Great communication, very timely install. Our house has never been more comfortable. Let's do a few more here. Just so, hold on a sec. Why did it put me to this? I was trying to get to the reviews. Sorry, guys. Website. It's going to bring me to my website. Sorry, guys. Come on. Why do you do that? Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back to here. Let's go actually to. Well, you guys get the point. I'm not gonna scroll through and try to find all these, but they're all 5-star reviews. I don't have anything but 5-star reviews. My website's impeccable. I'm a high quality HVAC company, so I'm not gonna put up with any of that crap from him. And yeah, so let's get on to the parts stuff I wanted to show you guys and get off of this nonsense. These dryer rough end boxes are pretty cool. So it's got your 4-inch hole here for your dryer vent. That way you can bring it up and you're able to push your dryer all the way back to the wall because everything's inset in the wall. The only thing I recommend with these is do not install them on an exterior wall, because then you're not going to have any insulation in it. So only do this if your dryer is going to be on an interior wall, and this gives you a little knockout for your gas too. So one thing you want to note, they don't really make these holes big enough, so you take your snips and cut that a little bit bigger to get your pipe through. That's what I found anyway. So I really do like these rough-in dryer boxes. Make it nice so you can get your dryer all the way to the wall. So here's some of the Speedy channel fittings that maybe, if you guys aren't familiar with the Diversitech Speedy channel stuff. So they come with a lot of different fittings. 45s if you want to make a nice, they don't always look the best on the side of a building, but if you're trying to keep from bending your stuff at a 90, they do make a 45. You screw this one to the wall, and then it's got 3 screws that screw that together. It's got some other cool little fittings that you can do. So this one's an outside corner 90. So you screw that to the wall, and then your piece screws on, so that way you can hide your line set around a corner, an outside corner. They also make a this one here, which is an inside corner 90. So you'd screw that part to the wall, and then your cover goes on like that. So if you're on the inside corner, you can get your line set around. And obviously we got our long radius 90s, which I've showed you before, and then they have the couplings, and then those wall penetrations, which are, I'll show you that again. So they got these wall penetrations. If you're coming out from where your indoor unit is, if you're coming out through an attic or something, you can use those. You can see how it all looks put together with your straight pieces, which you can just cut with your snips. I've showed you how to do that before. So yeah, Diversitech Speedy channel. Another product I really stand behind are these heat pump pads. I believe these are Diversitech too. Give you good defrost drainage with the star pattern, and then they come with these little plastic pads for isolation, so your unit doesn't vibrate. You could also take extra little rubber pads if this isn't quite level, and you can level it up at 8 different points. So each pad comes with 8 of these that you can put, depending on the unit, put it under the base properly. So real good product. I stand behind these 100% as well. A couple other items, guys, that I put on every single job is this Rector Seal, this cleanable trap, whether it's required by the positive or negative pressure of the system. I put this on even if it's on the positive side. Just gives you a good place to clean the drain out. Gives you a bunch of ports to get your vacuum on, or get your brush through the trap. So really good product there. You don't have to make any cuts to clean anything. It's the Rector Seal EZT113B. And then what I always couple with that, anywhere that you feel like it may cause damage, even in a garage, is this Rector Seal SS2 safety switch. Really good product. And then of course, with most of the systems I install are inverter systems, we definitely want to get a surge protector on it. And the Intermatic AG3000 is a really good one. It mounts really easy, no fuss, and will do the job for you. So that's a must on every heat pump job, all 3 of these items.